Go ahead and call him.
Gravy, come. Good boy.
He's always conflicted. Lola, come.
No, not you.
Lola. I know, Pris. Sit. No, sit. She hates the grass. Break, big baby.
Gravy,
Gravy break.
Gravy, break. Go break.
He's so silly. Come on, Lola.
Get him, Lola.
Get him, Lola. Come. Good job.
Gravy, come. Good. Come. Yeah, good boy. Nope, come. Yeah, good.
What level are you at?
There's some space. 45.
45. Okay, so no gripping. Okay. Easy, Tony. Good boy. Using momentary, several taps at a time. Gravy really doesn't like the intense paws to the face, which started out as a clobber, which was just a no, flat out no. Now that Tony is using his body more softly, much more acceptable type of play with a softer dog like Gravy. Hey, that was a tap on my part. Just all that pursuing, moving in. Tony's a dog that takes advantage of softness, weakness, submissiveness. So we're actually letting Gravy be pushier than we normally ever would a dog, just to balance Tony's intensity. I swear Tony did that so we wouldn't get in trouble. Let me bat at him and run away and see if I can get away with that. Good job, Tony. Boy, Gravy is so puffed up. Hey, Tony. Good. That was a quick double tap at a 50, 49. And it's just to soften Tony. Clearly, it's not making Tony think he can't play, which actually I thought I was going to have to do, if I'm being honest. But I've seen a new side of Gravy where he's like, I can handle this guy. I didn't catch it on film, but Gravy even growled at Tony, and we actually just let it go. Because I think Tony's just trying to match trying to make Tony think he's just as big and strong of a dog. Tony's so pushy, it seems to be working out really well. It's so funny, you would think that Gravy would be so sturdy with how wide he is, but Tony's way sturdier. Or he just knows how to use his body better.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what it is. Oh, now he's getting elbow bites. Get him, Tony. You're allowed. Your elbows are getting bit. There you go. Good job, Tony. I did not think Gravy would like him at all. I was wrong. Good job. Uh-oh. Yep. Maybe double tap Gravy. There you go. Another 10 levels from what you were at again. There we go. And then nothing. Go back down again. So that response to the e-collar that you saw with Gravy was a little much. However, we needed to stop what he was doing. Tony, no. Tony, no. Because it was getting a little too intense. But that is an example of something that might be a little bit too much for play. Tony, easy. And I think it wasn't necessary. However, if Tony had been any other dog that we normally have here, it would have been absolutely necessary. But Tony is so good-natured which has had its pros and cons, meaning he doesn't respond to.
Gravy, break.
I think he's just tired.
Yeah.
He doesn't respond to corrections like normal dogs. Tony doesn't. But with any other dog, even my dogs, that correction would have been necessary to slow down that intensity. So see that chase that Gravy's doing? The intensity he has with the chase it's not play anymore. It's like dominating, controlling. So there's definitely this line. I stepped on him. Seriously. Do you remember how high you got?
59.
The 59 was the hot one?
Was the hot one, yeah.
There you go.
There you go.
I'd love to see one more chase before we give Gravy a break.
There you go. Get him, get him.
Since Tony can handle it, which I'm not used to be honest, if he acts like a jerk, still stick with the lower, like 30, 40, just because Tony's not gonna react, I don't think. And it can give us some leeway so we don't overdo it.
Yeah.
There we go. Let it go, let it go. We should go behind the house again. Whoa. There we go, get him. Tap again if you haven't already. Double tap. There we go. That's good. Did your level change?
Yeah. Gonna come like a 26 or 36.
Okay. That was more appropriate. Break. Hey, break. Come on. No, Tony. Tony, come here, bud. Good job. Good job, Gravy.
Gravy, break.